Hi everyone, and welcome back to my favorite background here in my area, and it's me, Asawang Filipina. So our topic for today is about how to get a car loan here in the Philippines and their requirements. So let's get started. How to get a car loan here in the Philippines is you need to have at least 30 to 50,000 income. If you're a foreigner, you have to submit also your passport, 3 months bank statement, job contract, salary slip. You have to submit that, the billing, and also how much your Filipina received from you. And it only takes about 1 to 2 days to receive the approval. What they don't tell you is that you have also to calculate that you have still another expenses, especially for Filipino is different way of thinking, but for foreigners, I think they know about it already because cars for them is just like normal. But here in the Philippines, we are like looking for a big car. Sometimes we look for a big car for showing friends or other people that we have this big car, but they forgot about this. So what I'm gonna tell you is you only focus on the amount of car, like for example, let's say just 500,000 pesos, and you just focus on that kind of payment, and you forgot about the other spending of the car, because you need to think also that you have to spend the insurance, the maintenance of the car, the gas of the car. So if you're just a small family, you better go to a small car if you don't need this big car, so that you can sustain the maintenance of your car, and then also you can sustain the monthly payment of your car. So it's very affordable for a small car for and everything. If there is some damage of your car, it's also very affordable. So another thing, the requirements is you have to provide the billings. For example, where do you live, and then you provide like the electric bill, and then the amount that you receive from your partner. This is for a Filipina. But then also, if you have all the requirements what the company needed or the bank needed for you, it just take 1 to 2 days and you can just get the approval. And then also for the car, it's just a week. If they have stocks, then just you can have the car right away. There's a lot of cars here in the Philippines that are claimed by the company, because like I said, they just focus on the amount that they're gonna pay for the car, and they forgot about the maintenance that is also more expensive and more important. If you can afford for your expensive car, you have to afford also the maintenance of the car. It's a big loss for you if you don't maintain your car very well. Me again, and those who are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe. If you are here in the Philippines and if you can afford to loan a car, a brand new car, go for a brand new car instead of the second-hand car. And if you are planning to buy a second-hand car or used car, be sure to go in the company, not with private car, that the people that you don't know, because you don't know the history of the car.
Well, but you don't have to worry as long as you know that you can earn 30,000 up to 50 or more, especially if you have business, then surely you can get an approval for that.
My suggestions, because there's a lot of complaint for that as far as I've heard, and this was an advice also from the bank teller for me, that if you can afford, better buy a brand new car than second-hand car. So for me, that will be all, and see you next vlog. Bye.